Yung iba, yung dalawa kasi parang sila yung regular na na soldiers. So ito yung ginagawa natin, nag-apply tayo ng burnt metal na gradient dun sa kanilang mga blasters. So sa burnt metal, ang gradient na gagamitin natin dyan ay mga paints pala ay magenta, yun yung first color, second color yung violet, and third color yung color blue. Alright, next step is to mix the blood red and warm red para magkaroon ng mga blood effects. I'm using a sponge para sa applicator natin para na makapag-add siya ng mas maliliit na dots or speckles. Alright, and then yung last na couple of steps ay naglagay ako ng fluorescent paints sa mata. Okay, para nag-glow siya under blue light. Okay, and tinry ko lang din. Ayun, nag-glow siya. Gustong-gusto ko yung fluorescent lights ng fluorescent paints ni Hero Paints. Shout out again to Hero Paints. Super super cool na paint brand. Sobrang bait, grabe. Lagi tayong sponsored, kahit anong request ko for a certain project, binibigay nila. Sobrang thank you very much talaga, sir. Shout out to Sir Harvey of Hero Paints. Thank you very much. Yan, so ito na yung project na ginawa natin. 3 stormtroopers na set. This is for sale for around $150 or 9,000 pesos only. Set na yun, mga ma'am. So custom repainted into Punisher designs with fluorescent parts. Ang fluorescent parts nila dito ay yung kanilang mga mata. Okay, so if you have a blue light display, if you have a blue light at home and naka-display sila, mag-glow yung kanilang mga mata. Okay? So yun lang, mga ma'am, sir. Thank you very much for watching. Nga pala, before we go, nisprayan ko lang pala ito ng Bosni number 191 flat clear for protection. Yun yung top coat natin para ma-minimize yung paint scratches and paint rubs. Okay? So that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.